Thursday reading lesson. Today we're focusing on unlocking the key to nonfiction summaries, which is a review from our Extreme Weather Unit 2. Turn and talk with the people around you, maybe your parents. How can you identify the main idea and supporting details of a text, and how will that help you summarize it? Learning target today, I can use the main idea and supporting details to summarize a nonfiction text. To be successful, students will read the nonfiction text, no plan, no problem, and write a summary of the text. This should be a familiar slide. I pulled this page from our book, Extreme Weather, and I just blew up the paragraph, "Here comes the sun," so that we can read it more easily. Go ahead and read this selection to yourself. In a moment, I'll show you how to write a summary given this as our main text. So when we write the summary, we need to read the text. We just did that. Then identify the text structure. Is this description, chronological and sequence, compare and contrast, cause and effect, or problem and solution? Then we unlock the main idea sentence. We identify the text. In the passage, "Here comes the sun," we use a verb. The author, Kathy Fergang, examines, and the verb should match the text structure that we have identified. Then we state the topic, our sun, and the main idea, how the sun and earth work together to create the weather on our planet, and then we use 2 to 3 supporting details to write our summary. Let's take a look at this summary I wrote. In the passage, "Here comes the sun," Kathy Fergang uses a cause and effect text structure to explain our sun and how the sun and earth work together to create the weather. One detail that supports this is the sun heats the land on earth, which warms the air. In addition, Fergang explains how wind moves warm air around. One final detail in the passage is the earth's rotation in relation to the sun also causes air to change temperatures. These details show how the sun and earth cause the weather on our planet. So I used the text title, the author, I identified the text structure, I used a verb to identify the topic and the main idea that Kathy Fergang discussed in her text. I used 3 supporting details in my summary, and I added a concluding sentence to really tie together my summary. Now you will apply your knowledge. Read the article, No Plans, No Problem, and write a summary of the nonfiction text using the format I just used. Keys to unlocking a nonfiction summary. I pulled a multiple choice question for you to help you identify the main idea of this text so that you can more easily write a summary using that main idea and supporting details. Feel free to go back through and look at previous slides that I pulled up. There's a PDF version that you can look at, and you can also pause this video at any point to make sure that you know how to unlock the key to a nonfiction summary. Best of luck!